Epic. Nice. Fuck, I'm not even in focus. What am I doing? Damn it. Okay, do it again. Wait, ready? There you go. Ready? Awesome. Epic. Beautiful. Ah, gorgeous. More energy. More energy. More passion. More... Awesome. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm out of focus. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, friend. The guard. Mom, I want to play with Garfield. Nice, thank you. Ominous. The Garf. Dude.
Yeah, there's only like one camera store in Disney. Yeah, exactly. I love this.
You.
Putting your bowling shoes on, and I'm just like, hi, hello. I'm so obnoxious. I'm so sorry. It's okay. The Beakus is lovely. Thank you.
Hello, sir. I hear you're a champion bowler. Yeah. Hello. Lucky boy. Hi. What are your thoughts on bowling? What are your thoughts on the sport of bowling?
Bowling, it hasn't changed in 60 years.
Should they put bowling back in the Olympics?
No.
They shouldn't.
No. They should do HEMA instead.
They should do HEMA.
HEMA, H-E-M-A, Historical European Martial Arts.
Gotcha.
Do it, it's fun.
Should they put sex in the Olympics?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. Oh my god, that's adorable. Look at this blue bowl.
Hello, everybody! I would like to...
Is that a comically large carrot?
Gang.
Comically large. Hi. Hey. Nice. I like your scarf.